Welcome back to this week's video. This week I wanted to show you guys how to make your own massage bar lotion bar. So it looks like this. For this recipe, I was using some Our Essential Living products, and they are a natural single ingredient supplier based in the USA, and they make really high quality natural ingredients. So for this recipe, I used the almond oil, which is really great in vitamin E, good for scarring, good for skin health, and the shea butter, which is really great for skin health as well. So check out that in the description box below, and anything you purchase from them helps me out as well. So it looks like this. It's very, very pretty. And the color is from sea buckthorn oil, which is really good in vitamin A, C, and E. It's other nutrients as well, but really good for your skin health. And we'll get into the video right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. It makes a really nice lotion bar. It's firm, like it's not gonna melt. This has been on the counter for a few days now. And yeah, so it's nice and like slippery. It slips easily. And it's really, really nice. It smells so good, like that romance fragrance. It's a mixed blend of essential oil, and it just reminds me of like a tropical paradise. Like beautiful smelling. This mold here, I'll show you. So I always look around for really good prices, and I found these on Amazon. So I was looking for them at my local soap company, and they're really expensive there. It looks really yellow, but when you apply it to your skin, it's a faint yellow, but nothing much. And you could use less sea buckthorn oil. You can go to a quarter, half, or can, if you didn't want to use sea buckthorn oil, you can just replace it with another carrier oil of your choice. So really good for massages. So you could do someone's back with this. You could just massage your own body with it, or just use it for things like scarring or stretch marks or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.